So let me talk to you about what property insurance you need to think about as a school. First, I think the easiest thing to get your head around is if you own a building, you need to insure that building. And you need to insure that building for how much it will cost to rebuild it. Not how much you could sell it for. I recognize there's not a lot of schools out there looking to buy buildings. Might not be the easiest building to sell. But that's not what you're thinking about. You're thinking about what it's going to cost to rebuild. What it's going to cost to buy the bricks, the wood, pay the laborers, and actually put that thing back. After that, what you need to think about is all the stuff that's inside. If you're going to take the building, turn it upside down, and everything that falls out, that's contents coverage. If you've never done an inventory, to know what that would be for your organization might be worth the time, even if all you do is walk into every room and snap a picture. It's a lot easier to ask a claims adjuster for them to pay for something if you can show them what you want them to pay for. After that, you need to think about what's called crime coverage. Crime is protection for money being stolen from the organization, usually by an employee or a volunteer. Happens all the time. Make sure you've got good controls in place and segregation of duties to make sure that it's not easy to steal money. That's the best thing you can do, but you should also protect yourself as an organization. And lastly, what you need to think about is business income and extra expense. One of the tricky things about a school is that if there's a fire in your building, it's not really easy for you to relocate somewhere else. Your family becomes dependent on you being in the same place. Speaking as a parent here, I mean, if my schools moved a mile down the road, that would absolutely disrupt my daily life, and I may not go along with it. You have the same problem. So you need to think about what's your potential loss of tuition, how much you would need to pay your teachers to keep them around, and what other types of net income you might lose if you had to shut down for a period of time. So there you go. I hope that was helpful. That's 4 property coverages to think about as a school. If this has you asking any questions about your insurance program and broker relationship, and you'd like to talk to somebody with experience in your field, please reach out to us at www.bitnerhenry.com and request a quote. I'm Daryl Henry with Bitner Henry Insurance Group, and we serve those who serve others.